I got a bucket yesterday. I got all my switches and things wired up, so my coupler operates. You activate it, then release the coupler, set your bucket down, latch it. It automatically locks itself when you're not using it. So what I found is you gotta get into the bucket first, roll into it, open it, let it click in, latch it up. So now you've got that. You got the grab, so my tilt function's here, and then you step on the pedal to operate the grab, and then you have to toggle back and forth between grab and tilt. So a little bit weird, but yeah, everything's got a compromise in life. So, but now I want to ditch the tilt rotator and grab something else. Just come in, square up. Got my oil quick coupler, which is over here. 2 fingers. So drops the oil lines, loosens up the coupler. Now I'm free to get out. Which I haven't quite mastered the hydraulic hose routing on the tilt rotator yet. So the hook on the back of the coupler fetches up in it, but roll into the grapple. So now I'm on the grapple. Compactor. Last but not least, hammer. This thing is going to be a weapon.